PUBG now. I will play few minutes to check Miui 12.5 China stable version. It is compatible for PUBG or not. You guys can play games or not. So that's why you guys can see here. This is Miui 12.5 Chinese version I'm using. So now let's get started and let me show you. I'm using module, so you guys already know. On my previous videos I have already told you guys that I'm using a Magix module. So now let's get started. Now start a match. So you guys can see. Let's try. Now it's smoothly running, and my battery backup. Sorry for that. My battery is low right now, so that's why it can lag, because CPU throttling started when your battery is low or battery is in less condition. So you guys can see it's smoothly running, but you can get some frame drops right now because of battery issue. So let me jump. I don't know where to go, just a landing. My battery is around 33%, but gameplay is really good, though battery is not in good condition right now. So you guys can say I have already so let me get down. So many enemies are there. Oh, I'm down. I am in another game right now, so let me show you. You guys can see it's smoothly playing right now, though my battery is now in 30%, but it's good. I'm not a good PUBG player, so but I'm just giving you guys idea.
I got supplies. Bring up voice chat.
So what's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today in this video I'm going to review the full review of Miui 12.5 China stable version. You guys already watched my previous video where I have showed you the installation process and my first impression, and you guys already watched the gameplay in that ROM, and I will not make that video longer, and you guys can see the status bar. I am using one theme here, so that's why it's like that. Just another status bar, and let me show from the settings. You guys can see I am still using the Chinese version. This is not any global or anything, so you guys can see the full review. This is updated security app, and if you guys need that, I will drop that link in description. You guys can use, and you guys can so many customizations are there, utilities, video, boost speed. You guys can see so many customizations are here, so many. You guys can check yourself, and we have ultra battery saving mode, of course. And one interesting is that I'm using here the latest Miui 13. Yes, you guys heard right, this is Miui 13 file manager I'm using, and you guys can change the styles. So you guys can see this is newly redesigned and revamped the icons of the file manager. They have made it, and if you guys need that, just do comment in the comment section. I'll provide the link, so no problem. And you guys can see here the updated gallery application, and I already updated that gallery applications from that get apps which is available on China. And of course I also have that Play Store, you guys can see. And now let us updated notepad. You guys can change anything here, and you guys can add anything. You guys can see here so many customizations. You guys can select any pen, and you guys can design yourself, no problem on that. And you guys can choose eraser, and you guys can erase. So that's all actually. And you guys can see already I have rooted my device, and let me show you device is safety net passed or not. So this is the live test. You guys can see here safety net passed, so no issues on that. And let me show you the Geekbench score and CPU throttling. First of all, this is safety net pass, you guys already know. And you guys can see here CPU throttle to 78%, which is really better than my previous ROM review, which was AOSP based ROM actually. And now let me show you what the Geekbench 5, and let me show you. You guys can see here 247 and 924, which is decent. That, and I don't believe in all those things. I believe in real life performance. On real life performance you guys can easily use, and I already heard that on EU ROM you guys will face so many bug. Actually not bug, that ROM is laggy, and I'm going to flash that ROM right now again. So, and I played PUBG, and important thing, and we have that new animation when you uninstall one application. You guys can see here the animation is really good, and everything is just working pretty much fine in that ROM, and you guys can see it's really smooth. And let me show you that it's really smooth, you guys can see. And if you open one application and you scroll down that, and you guys can see here the floating window and click on that, and you guys can use easily the floating window, no issues on that. So that's how it's work. So it's working, and I found a Google camera, you guys can see, and it's working. First time it can crash, but after that it will work pretty much fine, no issues. And night side you guys can capture photos, and you guys can see, let me capture. So you guys can see here it's capturing a photo. It's already captured the photo. So that's the Gcam, and if you guys really need that Gcam as well, and if you guys want to use that ROM, that Miui ROM Miui 12.5, then do comment in the comment section, and I will drop all the links in description of Gcam and the file manager and the security applications, whatever you want I'll drop. And when you capture one photo, then it will process SDR plus, and you guys know that this is Redmi 7 and 632 Snapdragon, so this is not a powerful chipset, so that's why it will take some time to process SDR plus. So don't worry, in the meantime you guys can capture another photo, and camera is working actually. You guys can see the video also working, no issues on that. And I'm using here one module, sorry, that's not a module, this is the configuration file I'm using. So that's how it works. So this is the video actually, guys, and nothing more to show you. I have already showed you guys that here's the dark mode and whatever, then what's new, and nothing, everything I have already provided you guys. And fingerprint is really fast, and face unlock also, so no problem will be there. So if you guys really like that video, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon and never miss the further update. So thank you guys, thank you for watching.